how to check east, west, north, or south in your Google Maps. So if you want to check directions on your Google Maps, then what you need to do is let's begin. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that you have allowed the permission for the Google Maps to access your current location through the settings. But it will be turned on by default. So now what you need to do is open up your Google Maps and now zoom in or zoom out until you see the small compass icon, which will be on the top right. But if you don't see the compass icon, then make sure that your location is turned on. Once your location is turned on, now once you zoom in or zoom out here on the top, as you can see that you will have the compass icon, tap on it. And once you tap on the compass icon, now as you can see, if you just move your phone or spin your phone around, just like that with the circular moves, you can see which way your phone is facing and you can adjust it. So that's how you can check east, west, north, or south. You can go with your compass, which will be on the top, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.